The best affiliate marketing tips on the web. If you're on the hunt for a profitable business opportunity, you might just be interested in affiliate marketing. It's simple enough to understand, but you would be surprised at just how many people get things wrong when marketing. Pay attention to the information in this video. It just might help choose your next business opportunity. Affiliate marketing is a legit and sound choice when it comes to making money online. Work-at-home scams abound, but affiliate marketing allows one to control their own destiny, and it also requires little to zero financial investment. Affiliate marketing is not simple though, as few things in life are easy. Basic research and knowledge about what is available and how they work is important. Once you have found techniques that work well, do not rely on them exclusively. You should always be on the lookout for new tools and new trends. You could broaden your audience or keep in touch with your customers, if the techniques you are currently using should become obsolete. Remember that everything becomes obsolete, sooner or later. It is best to hide purchase links to an affiliate's product a few pages deep in a website. This cushions the casual visitor from hard sell techniques and ensures that visitors who find the affiliate link do so because they have a genuine interest in the product. The pages leading to the product link should encourage this interest. Catering directly to a product's market is the best way an affiliate can make a sale. Since affiliates work off of sales commissions, there is an inclination to try to market the product to as large an audience as possible, but this is a failing formula. Stick with the niche market and promote the product strongly. Now, no amount of solid information can save your affiliate business on its own. It also takes the right actions by you, the business owner. Just remember that affiliate marketing is a legitimate business, and that you need to approach it as such. Failing to take it seriously and treating it as a gimmick will result in ultimate failure. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.